Scleral lenses for keratoconus. How they restore sharp vision when glasses no longer can. At Eyecare Center of Orange County, Dr. Alexander Bonakdar has cared for patients for more than 3 decades. Trained at the Illinois College of Optometry, board certified and trusted by more than 10,000 Orange County patients since 1991. In keratoconus, the cornea bulges into a cone, and a cone blurs light unevenly. Glasses correct regular blur. They cannot smooth an irregular surface, which is why stronger and stronger prescriptions keep disappointing. A scleral lens works differently. It rests on the white of the eye, the sclera, and vaults completely over the cornea without touching it. The cone underneath stops mattering to your vision. The space between the lens and your cornea is filled with sterile fluid. That liquid layer optically replaces the irregular surface with a perfectly smooth one, and it bathes the cornea all day. Fitting scleral lenses for keratoconus is measurement work. We map your cornea and scan the lens in cross-section while it is on your eye, so the vault over the cone is exact, not estimated. Most keratoconus patients see more sharply with scleral lenses than they thought possible, often dramatically so. Comfort surprises people too, because the lens never rests on the sensitive cornea. If keratoconus is beating your glasses, ask us about scleral lenses. Placing one diagnostic lens on your eye for a few minutes answers most of the question.